I'm going to show you the best ways to pack your shorts, both to save space as well as to prevent wrinkles. This is going to work whether you want to put your luggage in a suitcase, or if you want to put it in a bag, or even a packing cube. This is going to be the most space effective way to fold your short. As you can see, it compresses the shorts really nicely down, but this method will wrinkle up the shorts a little bit. So what I figured I'd do before I show you that method in a little bit slower, more explained way, is that I show you a simple roll that's a lot easier to do and is going to prevent a lot of wrinkles as well. Now, if you want a cheat sheet to follow along with this fold, as well as all my favorite ways to pack clothes, go to organizing.tv/pack and I'll put together a cheat sheet with my top 5 methods for packing clothes for you. So let's get started here. So this is going to be the simple roll. Just start with the shorts for the front facing up and then fold the short over in from side to side like this. Now, here comes an optional step. You can fold in this crotch area, and that's going to make the short a little bit more compressed together, but as you can imagine, you will get a little bit of a wrinkle going down your butt if you do that. Turn the short so you have the waist facing towards you, and we start rolling gently down. Now, you don't want to press it if you want to prevent wrinkles. Just roll it up gently like this. These are going to unravel if you put it in a bag and shake it around. So what I recommend is some simple elastic bands like this. Don't use the ones that's just rubber. That can rub a little bit on the fabric of your garment. One is enough. If you have two, I mean, why not? And now this is ready to go into your packing system. So whether you're using packing cubes or if you want to put it directly into your suitcase, totally fine. It's going to be neat and organized. Let me show you here on one of my bigger packing cubes. How you would do this is place it in here like that, and you can close up the packing cube. Quick and easy. Now, this is not the compressed packing cube. I'm going to show you how to compress garments further with this next method, which is going to be the space-saving roll. My all-time favorite way to fold garments. This is fantastic for travel. I use it literally all the time. Oh, and here are some of the other methods that I'm going to put in that cheat sheet, by the way. This is pants and this is a day roll of clothes. Now, for the space-saving roll, the military roll, this fold has a lot of names, but it is the one that is going to save the maximum amount of space in your luggage. Now, from here, we're going to flip the waistband inside out here, like so, and we're going to use this as a pocket to kind of hold the rest of the shorts in. So we will need a little bit of space here. I'm thinking if you're new to this, you want to do at least 3 inches. If you have very small shorts, maybe you'll get away with 2 inches in the waistband. Make sure you get the front and the back side there. Now from here, we're going to split the shorts into 4 parts from one side to the other. And I'm going to fold in 1/4 of the way in towards the middle. And I'm going to repeat on the other side. So both legs are pretty much folded in half. At this point, you want to make sure that you have an even line. If the short flares out towards the bottom, that's going to be a problem and going to cause additional wrinkles when we roll it up. So make sure it's a nice and even line, at least reasonably even. And from here, I'm going to turn the shorts around. I'm going to start rolling up the garment from the bottom of the legs. So here is the thing. The tighter you roll, the more space you're going to save, but you'll also crease up the shorts more. So if this is running shorts or something, totally fine. If it's your nice khaki shorts or like these ones, not too tight, right? Once you make it up to the top, you want to lift it up like this so that you have one end pointing upwards. And I'm going to wrap this area around the roll. So that kind of creates a pocket to place the shorts into. Now you don't want to let go at this point. You want to gently coax it in there, turn the shorts around, hold on to that point that you folded over, otherwise it's going to unravel. And you repeat here on the other side as well. Like that. And if this is your first time doing this, it probably looks like this. Don't worry, what you can do is put your thumbs inside the edges there, kind of give it a little bit of a massage, put it all nice and evenly together there. This isn't going to unravel anytime soon. If it does unravel, try to add a little bit more space in the waist area there. From here, we can take our packing cube again. By the way, another cool hack, if you bring regular plastic bags, the ones you get at the grocery store, place your dirty rolls into that bag and then you can still store them in your packing cubes. So I have my bathing shorts in here as well. So these are the small packing cubes, the ones I like to use the most. These are great for small, like carry-on size bags. You can also go up one size. These are medium size. So these you're going to be able to fit 4 rolls into. This is perfect if you have a big bag. You can even go one more size up, but I think medium, multiple medium ones are perfect for both big suitcases as well as big bags. If you have a smaller bag, think carry-on size, I would go with the small packing cubes personally. Anyway, at this point, we can put it into our packing cubes. zip up the packing cubes. If you don't have compression packing cubes, this is what you're gonna end up with. Now, if you have compression packing cubes, you get another step here that you can actually compress the packing cubes further down. Again, gonna cause more wrinkles, but saves more space. Not more weight though, so just keep that in mind. And here you have perfectly packed shorts. You can even put your short bag into a bigger packing cube. This way you can create a really neat space-saving system for all your clothes when you're packing them. I have my trusty old bag torn to pieces here. From here, I just take my packing cube, stick it into the bag, and now it's super easy. I don't need to dig through everything. I just pull up my packing cube with all my clothes. I know exactly which clothes are in the packing cubes, especially if I have different colored packing cubes or if I write what's inside the packing cube outside it. This is one of my favorite topics to talk about. I'm seriously, I love this. I've been traveling like this for 10 years. Really love packing. Gonna put together that cheat sheet for you over on organizing.tv/pack. Definitely grab that. You're gonna learn so many cool packing tips. You can keep it on your phone, so if you need to repack your clothes, you can just look at that. These were the steps. I missed that step. Let me fix that, and yeah, you're good to go. So thanks for watching today, guys. This was a lot of fun to make, and yeah, see you next week.